I've been getting a few comments lately asking how I mount my drone controller to my motorcycle handlebars. When I'm out touring, I end up getting quite a bit of footage with my DJI E2S drone using the active track technology, and one of the most important things is that you have your drone controller in front of you so you can see where your drone is at all times. You can pick up some pretty cheap ready-made drone controller mounts, but I found them to be pretty flimsy and they can break quite easily. So I had to come up with my own little solution which combines a few different parts to make a custom mount. I use a GoPro handlebar mount, a sticky mount, a hook buckle, and a straight mount. I would recommend getting the GoPro handlebar mount. It is more expensive than the third-party options out there, but it's a lot sturdier than anything else that I've tried. Plus, it comes with a flat mount which you'll need, and multiple adapters for different handlebar diameters. You can go cheap with a third-party hook buckle and sticky mounts, as I've found them to be fine. I've put links in the description to all the parts you'll need to make the mount. So, there's a couple of tricks you need to know to make this system work. Basically, the hook and flat mounts need to screw together. However, they both have 3 prongs as they're designed to hold GoPros which only have 2 prongs. What we'll need to do here is chop off one of the outside prongs on the hook mount. That will allow us to slot the hook mount into the flat mount so they can be screwed together. To chop off the prong, I used a small cheap hacksaw that I picked up from my local hardware store. In order to actually attach your controller to this system, you'll need to adhere your sticky mount to the back of your controller. Once you've done that, the hook mount will now clip into the sticky mount. I've used the mount on 3 different motorbikes on and off the road, and it's been great. My DR650 handlebars have been the trickiest to fit this mount on, but it's a good example that the mount is pretty versatile and will work on bicycles, quad bikes, or anything that has handlebars. A quick tip, if you intend to go off the road, the controller can get a bit wobbly. I'd recommend carrying some electrical tape so you can secure the controller